Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 7th standard. Today I shall discuss about Antarctica, the uninhabited continent. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world. Asia, Africa, North America, South America are larger than Antarctica. But Europe and Australia are smaller than Antarctica. It completely lies in the southern hemisphere. It is roughly circular in shape. I will show you afterwards in the map. Surrounding the South Pole, it covers an area about 1 crore 40 lakhs square kilometers. Vinson Massif is the highest point and whose height is 5,140 meter, and Bentley subglacial trench 2,555 meter is the lowest point of Antarctica. The entire continent of Antarctica is covered with thick ice sheet. Due to the presence of thick ice sheet, it is often termed as white continent of the world. Means completely covered with snow, that's why it is white continent. The temperature remains low almost throughout the year in the continent. In Antarctica, the lowest temperature is minus 89 degrees centigrade and recorded in Russian Vostok station. And Antarctica is the driest, windiest and coldest place in the world. Next we will see the location. Where is the location of Antarctica? Antarctica lies, already I have told you, in the southern hemisphere. The whole continent is concentrated beyond the Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle means that is, you know that is 66.5 degree south. You see, if this is the Earth, this is equator, this equator 0 degree, this is Tropic of Cancer, this is 23.5 degree north, and this is 23.5 degree south, that is Tropic of Capricorn. Now this is 66.5 degree north, this is Arctic Circle, and this one 66.5 degree south, this is Antarctic Circle. So I told you just now, that is this place is beyond Antarctic Circle, means beyond Antarctic Circle 66 down of that on Antarctic Circle. The South Pole is located almost in the center of Antarctica. Antarctica is surrounded by the southern Antarctic Ocean. This is the map of Antarctica. This is round in shape, circular in shape. You have seen Indian Ocean is the southern part and Atlantic Ocean in the northern side of Antarctica. Now let's see the other places what are found in Antarctica. Antarctica lies in the frigid zone. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. Huge ice shelves are found in Antarctica. These ice shelves are found in the edges of the continent. And these shelves are fed by the mountains of glaciers of central Antarctica. Glaciers means, you know, that is which mountains are covered with snow, that is called glaciers. Due to the vast cover of ice in this continent, is the most inaccessible region in the world. So people are not living here. The Ross is the only ice shelf that lies in the Pacific coast and provides the passage for ships and boats to reach Antarctica in the summer season. Other time it is not possible to reach in that places. Now let's see. Next we will discuss about the discovery of Antarctica. The word Antarctica is the Romanized translation of the Greek compound word Antarctikitos. Antarctikitos. It means opposite to the north. Opposite to the north means that is south. So here anti means against and Arcticos. Arcticos means Arctic Ocean. So Antarcticos means the opposite, that is south side. The name Antarctica as a continental name is ascribed to the British cartographer and geographer, that is George Bartholomew, that is Bartholomew in 1890. Prior to this, it was ignored due to the lack of resources and harsh climate, means climatic condition covered with snow, so harsh climate condition is there. In 1772, James Cook, an English navigator, suggested the possibility of the big landmass in the southern hemisphere, and James Cook said that the South Pole was probably located in the center of the huge landmass. In January 1773, James Cook crossed Antarctic Circle, and then HMS Resolution and Adventure, these two ships reached there. Soon they found a large, huge ice blocks. In the early 19th century, various countries like Norway, France, USA, they sent their expedition towards the South Pole, and slowly the new continent, Antarctica, was discovered. It was not sure that who had explored this continent first, but mainly the historians, they credit to three people. That is, three people were responsible for this. That is number one, Nathaniel Palmer, Palmer, L silent, an American sailor. Then Captain von Billingshausen, an officer in that is in Russian Navy, and then Captain Edward Bransfield. Then he was an officer of British Royal Navy. They found, means they first discovered this. That one we are means these three people, these three men were the responsible for founding this Antarctica. On 17 January that 1911, a Norwegian sailor named Roald Amundsen, he reached in South Pole. Then Sir Robert Falcon Scott, a British Royal Navy officer, also reached in South Pole, but he never returned, as he died on his way whenever he was returning back from South Pole. After that, Richard Ellingberg, that an American naval officer, was the first one to fly over the South Pole. Then the international that year, that is what was the year, that is that 1957-1958 is considered the modern age of Antarctica exploration. The Antarctic Treaty was signed by 12 nations in December 1959. Later on, 6 countries along with India joined this group, and now 49 countries have signed in this treaty. So, the main features of the Antarctic Treaty is what? Antarctica shall be used for the peaceful purposes. It prohibits military activities and mineral mining. Then the nuclear weapon testing is also prohibited in Antarctica. There should be free exchange of ideas, suggestions and technology among the people, among the nation. And the nation, after that, the nation should share their information and resources about the continent. the living resources of Antarctica should be also preserved and conserved. So this is the discovery and short description of Antarctica. So I am finishing my video up to this. My next video I will discuss about that the Indian exploration means that about who from India who have gone and whatever their names, and so let's see, watch that one, and I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.